Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. Now, Passport America can certainly be hit or miss. Sometimes the parks can be quite ordinary, but the Rippling Waters Church of God exudes sort of this magical West Virginia country charm. And despite not having many amenities, there's nothing ordinary about it. The main attraction was this little chapel sitting directly across the pond from the campground. I was never here during church services, but it's almost difficult to, imagine a congregation walking around this pond to attend. It's almost kind of surreal. So here's what I recommend you do when you pull into Rippling Waters. First, check in with a nice lady at the office. Then, before you even make your way to your campsite, take a leisurely stroll around the pond to check out the church and stretch those weary legs. From there, you can even get a different perspective of the pond from a different point of view. Most of the sites are long enough to stay hitched if you're only here for a one-nighter, but whether you're staying hitched or you stay for an extra day, be sure to find a good bench and take in the scenery at sunset. And then do it again at sunrise. And then say hello to the Mothman. He's just up the road in Pt.Pleasant. Well, in case you've never seen the Mothman prophecies, the legendary Mothman was a tall humanoid creature with moth-like wings that terrorized Pt.Pleasant in the late 60s. Reportedly, there was a sighting of the creature during the Silver Bridge collapse that killed 46 people. The Mothman Museum is quite small, and while there's certainly a lot of memorabilia, it was a little too much reading for me on a day that I forgot my glasses. I think the museum could have been done a little better, but I'm glad I went, and I'd certainly recommend the museum and a lunch somewhere in town for a nice little day trip. Well, I really enjoyed my time at Rippling Waters, especially at the 50% off rate of $25. Unfortunately, they no longer accept Passport America. I mean, that's a bummer, but there are still over 1,100 parks to choose from. If you'd like to learn more about Passport America, please click my link in the description page. Well, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.